A Bay Area doctor accused of abusing his patients found himself in a familiar place today, jail. Investigators say Dr. Kayode Sotonwa inappropriately touched patients at his office on the 2700 block of East Bay Drive. This was the doctor's second arrest after more alleged victims came forward. Our James Ambroski joins us now live outside the Pinellas County Jail, where the doctor was just released. Good evening, James.
Good evening, Brendan. As you're about to see in our video, Dr. Sotonwa was all smiles as he came back to jail for the second time in a week today in handcuffs. Tonight, his lawyers held a press conference. They blamed the police, they blamed his accusers, and they blamed the press. Meanwhile, the police continue looking for more victims. Tonight, lawyers for a Clearwater physician accused of sexually battering 8 female patients, including 2 children, held a press conference to proclaim the doctor's innocence by blaming the patients.
We believe that what's happened is similar to a herd mentality, where everybody's starting to hear the story, and people who received legitimate medical treatment are now interpreting that in the wrong way.
Largo police allege that no matter what ailment the patient described to Dr. Kayode Sotonwa, his examination turned sexual.
At some point during the visit, the doctor turns it more to a personal nature, and he ends up either fondling the breasts or touching them inappropriately.
Sotonwa's lawyers, though, say it's all a big misunderstanding.
He's a doctor. Whatever he did was within medical treatment, what was within the scope of medical treatment and medically necessary.
Sotonwa's arrest on the first 4 charges came last week. He was released on $21,000 bail, and on Monday, he and his wife had this reaction when ABC Action News said more charges were coming.
Nah, that's not correct. He's not 8.
8 women.
He's not 4 again. He's 8.
Well, I just came from the police department, sir, and 4 more women have come forward. The charges haven't been filed yet.
During that exclusive interview with ABC Action News, the doctor's wife stood by her man.
He's not guilty.
Don't go into all of it.
How do you know that?
Because I trust him. I believe in him.
With this second arrest today, though, it was the lawyers speaking for their client.
He has someone in the room at all times with him when there is a physical medical procedure going to be taking place.
Now, the doctor says he's being set up by people who want drugs from him, people who want to be put on disability to get an insurance claim. The police allege that some of these breast massages lasted 15 minutes or more. The lawyers scoffed at that, said they're looking forward to their day in court. Live at the Pinellas County Jail, I'm James Ambroski, ABC Action News.
Thank you, James. 2 men were injured today after an overhang roof collapsed at a local restaurant. It happened this afternoon at a Panera Bread on the 10,000 block of Starkey Road in Seminole.